Hey guys, Misa here with Nom Nom TV. I am so excited to share with you the secret recipe for teppanyaki, how to make it at home. And so we're gonna have a little party and we're gonna do this. Let's go. Today we're gonna be grilling shrimp and vegetables on the teppanyaki grill and then dipping it in some delicious homemade sauces. And so what we're gonna need is spinach, cucumber, cabbage, mushrooms, cilantro, mint, and butter. Rice noodles, spring roll wrappers, wonton wrappers, an egg, and shrimp. So to make this awesome sauce, we need chili pepper, ginger, garlic, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and the secret ingredient, sugar. I feel like I've ran a mile. Pour some sugar on me. Get in the sugar. Last but not least, my favorite ingredient, sesame oil. Oh, the best. Love it. Okay, so now we're gonna make this sauce. So let's add this ginger. Ginger is my favorite ingredient ever. A little bit of garlic. Water and rice vinegar, some hot chili peppers, and last but not least, sugar. We got this beautiful sauce here now, just ready for dipping. So right now I'm just gonna heat up these rice noodles. I am gonna turn on the burner and then just place them in the boiling water. In just a couple minutes, these rice noodles will be ready and then we will go ahead and drain those. In the meantime, I'm gonna start making these egg rolls. And so we gotta get some oil here. I use canola oil. And we're gonna fill the pan with canola oil. I want it nice and crispy. I'm gonna start making the egg rolls. Just literally fold them and roll them. Fold them inside. And it's almost like a little baby, I call it a little baby egg roll. Little baby egg roll. You take the egg yolk and you close it with egg yolk. I make about 8 of these for every person who is joining me for teppanyaki. It's almost like a little surprise crispy gift in the teppanyaki that you'll be making a spring roll with. This is actually my favorite part of teppanyaki. It's not the traditional teppanyaki, but I love it. It just adds some amazing crispy goodness to every single spring roll that you make. So as you can see, I'm just folding it, rolling up the dumpling wrapper, and then closing it with the egg yolk. They don't have to be perfect, you know, but they have to be good enough where they are like a little mini egg roll. That's what I call them. So as we're waiting for this oil to heat up, I am going to check up on the rice noodles, and they are ready. The rice noodles are ready. Right now it's really important to peel the shrimp ahead of time. It can save some time when you're on the grill, and it's really great to just have everything ready because things can move really fast once you got the little party going with the grill. And it's really important to have all of your ducks in line. Yes, we are good to start frying up these egg rolls. So let's put these babies on here. Woo. Yeehaw, let's get them crispy. I always use this to cover it up a little bit. So these get crispy very, very quickly. It's really important to keep an eye on them because I burn them a lot. I mean, I personally love burned stuff, but you don't want it too crispy. So we're just gonna keep an eye on these. And once they're really brown on one side, you're gonna flip them. And then it'll be the perfect crispiness to add to your spring roll. As you can see, it's just getting a little bit brown on one side, so I'm gonna flip it. It happens so quickly, so you really gotta keep a good eye on it. And this is my favorite part of teppanyaki, is where it's really this great addition to the spring roll that you put together. Oh my God, look at those little babies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so crispy. That's the best part. Oh my gosh, look how yummy they look. I love it. Got a paper towel here and we are going to get ready to take these little babies off the grill. It just doesn't get better than this. I just love, you see, look at that. Perfect. Now is my favorite part of having a teppanyaki party at home. It is manning the grill. Let's do this. Oh, let's get some butter on here. Yes. You can never have too much butter. Butter makes everything so good. Each thing cooks at a different pace. So I always like to have a section with the mushrooms, a section with the spinach. Oh my gosh, this is so, so delicious. Gotta get some cabbage going on and another little section. And then last but not least, of course, the protein, the shrimp. Spinach cooks actually very fast. The mushrooms take a little bit longer. But you really only need 5 minutes, so it's a lot of prep, but then once you really get everything prepped, it's a pretty quick teppanyaki party, you know? You can just kind of hang out, enjoy the food. Oh my gosh, look at that shrimp. Oh, so good. So now we're gonna make this grilled teppanyaki items into a spring roll. So I'm gonna take this rice paper, dunk it in the warm water. It's a couple cups of warm water. Fully make sure all of it is covered in warm water. It's gonna still feel stiff, but don't worry about it. It's gonna soak in. And then first you take this amazing crispy goodness. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite part, guys. And then you take this sliver of cucumber, a little bit of mint, and cilantro. And then off the grill, I'm gonna get some shrimp. You can kind of pick what you like. I personally love adding shrimp to it. And then some cabbage. You can customize this again how you like. And some spinach, and last but not least, the mushroom. The mushroom adds such great flavor. Next, we're gonna wrap our spring roll. So just wrap it up like a little burrito. That's why I call it, like, make a little spring roll burrito. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough to really create this beautiful little, I call it like a little Asian hot pocket. And last but not least, we got our homemade sauce here. So you're just gonna dip it in the homemade sauce. And the texture is just amazing because we've got the crispy goodness. We've got the cucumber, we've got the protein, we've got the flavorful mushrooms, everything all in one. It is just amazing. So I finished the spring roll. Now let's have a teppanyaki party with my friend Alfred. Hey!
All right.
So I made you an awesome spring roll.
Dude, it smells good. It smells like butter.
Oh, I used a lot of butter.
Okay,
Let me tell you that.
That's good. You can't go wrong with too much
You
butter.
can never have too much butter, guys.
All
That's why I included a whole stick of butter needed for this recipe.
right. Wow.
Are you ready? And then I made you this homemade sauce too.
Oh, thank you.
So here you go, Mama Misa.
Mama
Coming
Misa.
right up.
All right. Dip.
Yeah.
Get a dip in there?
Yeah, I
Okay.
need some of the sauce
All
too.
right. Cheers.
Cheers!
All right.
Teppanyaki, teppanyaki, cheers!
Mmm. Mmm. Pretty awesome. Nice and warm.
What's your favorite thing about it?
I love the crunch from this little crispy guy.
Crispy goodness, that's the best part. The
Awesome.
sauce is super important because it brings it all together. Okay, so I'm getting hungry. We're gonna keep doing this teppanyaki party. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this teppanyaki party today. I hope that you enjoyed. And if you'd like to follow more recipes, you can find me on Instagram, Misa_Chen, or you can follow us on YouTube, Nom Nom TV. Thanks so much, and looking forward to nomming with you soon. Yeah, go ahead, take it. Dude, that's,
Is it done?
dude, that's not, you took it off the grill too soon.
Still warm. It's warm. Can we fry these a little more?
No, dude, don't, you're going against the teppanyaki rules.
You can't fry it?
Rule
more?
number 1, you gotta keep it over there.
I forget to make butter.
Yeah, let's put more butter in this thing. Dude, give me more butter.
You do love butter.
Give me the butter.
Misa tutorials. 1, butter. Step 2,
What?
butter. Step 3, butter.
Ingredients for teppanyaki. Butter,
Butter.
butter,
Butter.
and more butter.
butter.